guys. Give me a second, you guys. I'll be right there. I'll be right there. I'll be right there. And I am right here. How you guys doing today? Welcome to another episode of the Sir Paul the Gamer. I am the Sir Paul the Gamer. We are continuing the rebuild of the Pittsburgh Steelers, and yeah, this is the team right here. The offense is pretty good, not bad of an offense. The defense is pretty good too, but except we need to get some new linebackers, and that's all about it. Now we are starting the 2024 season. We are 3-4. At the halfway mark, we have a bye week at the end. Let's see if we can negotiate any contracts here. We have 97 minutes left, so we need to re-sign Najee Harris. Let's give him a 4-year deal. He's happy with that. Pat Fryermuth, a 5-year deal. Are you happy? Yep, he's happy with that. Our right guard is young, but he still can play. Let's give it a 3-year deal. He didn't want to sign with us. We traded for Stokes. Can I give you a 4-year deal? Did he take it? Yep, he took it. Terrence Marshall, you get a 3-year deal. He signed, so locked down. We gotta sign him, right? $28. 3-year deal. He took a 3-year deal. Our left tackle. Nope. None of these guys are gonna be coming back. Ooh. How much would this cost if? Ooh. That's a lot of money. I don't think he's gonna come back. So maybe, can we get a trade? No offers, huh? Can we get a late pick for him though? No trade offers, huh? At least give me like a 7th round pick. Yeah, nobody wants him. Let's just get to the bye week. We have some heavy hitters here. Najee Harris gets the upgrade though. Ooh, is that I think that was the quarterback that's getting upgrade too. Yeah, Chad Zimmer. Chad Zimmer is our quarterback of the future. Ooh, he needs field general. So he is up to a star. Just in his 2nd year too. We're gonna submit to the playoffs and see what happens. Let's see what happens in the playoffs. Can we take Chad Zimmer into the playoffs? Or are we going to fail? Everybody's not coming back, so I really need to sign that right guard. He's only 26 years old, but he wants a lot of cash, which I don't have that much cash on the team. It's going to be a little hard to do it. So the season is 2024 season over, and we're still 7-10. George Pickens gets the upgrade, so he's 83 overall. Another upgrade to George Pickens. He is in his second year, and he is not bad. Our quarterback, Chad Zimmer, he's up to 75 overall. Another one, he's up to 76 overall. And he is still a rookie out of North Carolina. Ooh, TJ Watt. We got TJ Watt. We got Najee Harris. Okay, let's see what. I think we should go sign the player roster. Resign players. We are up to 27 mil. He signed for 4 years. We got 26 left. Some of these guys are not coming back. I don't know. Allen Robinson, I'm not bringing back because he's a little bit too old in the strong safety. How old is he? 31 years old. No, I don't want him back. But we could use him. We can still use him. And he is happy we're bringing him back. And we still have 17 minutes in cap space. We might be able to do something in free agency. We might be able to do something in free agency. So let's see what we can do in free agency. I hope there's a lot of good free agents and a lot of cheap free agents too. Ooh, how is Allen Robinson getting an upgrade? Do I have to go re-sign Allen Robinson? And probably trade Allen Robinson at the end of the I didn't want to re-sign Robinson, but if he's up to 80 overall, receiver 81 overall, maybe we can sign it and trade. Where is Allen Robinson? I don't see Allen Robinson. Oh, Allen Robinson right there. How much do you want? A 3-year deal. That leaves me with 10 million. Okay, I only have 10 million left. Let's see. Let's see who's winning the Super Bowl. Who won the Super Bowl here? People, the Cowboys lost the Super Bowl to the Los Angeles Chargers. All the memers, they're gonna be gone. There we go. We still have JJ Watt, not TJ Watt, but he's gonna cost a lot of money when his contract is up. Alright, let's get into free agents. Where's the free agent? Where's the free agent? Let's see what free agents are out here. Anything that I can do. Nick Chubb is out here for 96 overall. Oh man. He is 90, but he's still old. Left tackle is out here. That's great. Tua Vailoa is out here. He's only 27 years old. Javonte Williams is out here. He's a young guy. Ooh, great. How much would he cost? Yeah, I can't sign any free agents. Let's go to the draft. We're building the team through the draft. We can't do nothing in free agent. We have no cash. We can't do anything in free agency right now. I would love to have Nick Chubb on the team. A 96 overall running back in the free agent market. But I just can't afford it. I just cannot afford it. So, let's see what we can do in the draft. What is the biggest need on this team? I got the wide receivers, right? Let's take a look at the team. I'm set at quarterback. I'm set at running. We could use another running back. Wide receivers, we're set there. Tight end, we're set. Our left tackle, not bad. Left guard is a 9. For their experience, we could move him to right guard, I think. Actually, we can move him to center. Ooh, we need a right tackle. We need to get a right tackle and a center. Great. We got 181 middle linebacker. We need another middle linebacker, but we're set. We need a right tackle and a center in the draft. Let's start the draft. Pasta. We get the number 9th pick, huh? What kind of trade offer are they gonna give me for the 9th overall pick? We get a first, second, third, fifth, first, fourth, and 7th, first. Ooh, they're offering 2 first. I could. Ooh, the 2 first round picks, so. Ooh. I'm actually gonna take it. I am actually gonna take that. I actually took it. Yeah, we're in the second round. There is a right tackle. We could go for right tackle. Yeah, that's the biggest right tackle. And we got a hidden right tackle. Man, that's awesome, dude. We get the third round. We're in the third round. We could go for something like this. Timmy Smith, huh? Okay, let's see. Tight end, vertical threat. We don't need a tight end. We already have a tight end. QB is there. Tight end. Any middle linebacker or defensive tackle. We could go. We are in the third round, fourth round. So I'm saying maybe we should take a defensive tackle. BDCC. He's not bad. Not a hidden. He doesn't have any hidden traits, but you know. I hope that middle linebacker is still there. Oh man, that middle linebacker is gone, but run stopper. Run stopper. Playmaker. Let's go with the middle linebacker. And let's submit to the end of the draft. Advance to the end of the draft. And let's go see what this draft class looks like that we drafted. Mind you, we traded the first round. Our first round pick, the ninth overall pick, we traded away. Let's go to draft recap. What is the census here? We got a starting right tackle. That's great. We got another starting defensive tackle. That's great. That linebacker was garbage. We got a decent third corner. We got a decent backup running back. Not bad of a free safety. He might be a backup, and maybe he can start. We got a horrible receiver with horrible speed, and yeah, that's it. This draft class was horrible. And let's go to the next season. We do have, I think we had 3 first round picks this year. So, let's get to the regular season with the team. We don't like preseason, so we just have to go look at what's going on. We need a center. That is what we need. Alright, let's go look at the rosters real quick. Or that's good here. Let's make him into a center. Would he become a good center? We got that guy right there. We got a decent center now. We got a nice right guard, and we get a nice right tackle. So the offensive line is looking great. The left end position could do a little better. Not bad at the right end. These two defensive tackles I like. And I like TJ Watt. I love that signing. The middle linebacker, we could use one more middle linebacker. The cornerback position I like. Mika Fitzpatrick is there. I like that. And what happened to Peterson? What happened to Peterson? Peterson is not the. I drafted Peterson, right? What happened to Peterson, man? What happened to? I thought I signed it. Did he retire? Did he retire? Did Peterson retire? If he retired, that'd be. Pat Freiermuth, 88 overall tight end, which I like. So how much money do I really have here? Let's go resign. I am up to 89 point. Wow. Wow. What? A lot of players still coming up. He could be a casualty. The backup tight end. Let's see. Anybody need a tight end? And no, I am not taking that center. There's no way. This guy, he might be coming back, but actually, no, I might not sign this guy back. Because he wants $5 million signing bonus. He wants 6 years, 6. Austin is not coming back. These guys are not coming back, so I have to sign. I don't know about that center is not coming back either. Some of these guys are not coming back. We need to re-sign this guy though. We have 89 mil, so that's not too bad. Can we get another win right here? No, we lost. What is this? Yeah, we're getting trade offers. Any better trade offers here? The 5th and the 7th. No. Wide receiver Tua Atwell. He could be somebody. Should I take this? 25-year-old corner, 71 overall, 26 left. No. Let's take the running back, the wide receiver, and put him in the lineup. Let's go to receivers. Receivers here. Kevin Austin at 92 speed. Fourth year guy, 93 speed, 2-2 Outwell. Put it in here for Robinson to Marshall. Okay, there we go. And let's see if we can get anything for Robinson here. Let's go to receiver spot with Robinson. A little bit up there in age, but you know, maybe somebody. Nope. We signed him for no reason. Okay. We are 0-1 right now. Week 3. Come on, give us a win. I deserve a win. We're 1-1. We beat the Lions. Okay. We are in third place in the division. We are definitely going to go play the okay. We're definitely going to play the Ravens with the, if we can get another win right here. 1 and 2, 3. Ooh. What is this? QB check it. Can I get? Chad Zimmer, the team. Your team has struggled out of the gate, so for it, when that happens a lot of blame, it usually plays on the quarterback. Who do you need? I blame the whole team. It's a team. Grab your shovel and we're definitely playing the game. We're definitely gonna play each game. Upgrade at right guard. So there we go. Joey Porter is getting an upgrade at the cornerback position. Our left is getting an upgrade again. Alright, so here we go. And all these other guys, automatic. And then right now we are gonna play the Baltimore Ravens. Skip the practice, offense only, and let's get it done. The Ravens are our division leader. They're up by 2 games. 2 games up on the Steelers. So, here we go. Let's start with the run. Alright, here we go. Alright. Nice game by Najee Harris. And it's not my guy. Alright, let's try the same run on the other side here. Oh man, if Harris was any faster, that would have been great. If he was any faster, that would be great. And a nice touchdown run by Harris. Najee Harris with the first touchdown. Let's see if we can get any passing with Chad Zimmer. There we go. Zimmer is man. A 32 catch. Alright, here we go. Oh, okay. They're stopping the run now. Oh boy. Alright. Have fun move. Alright. I'm hoping something. To arrow. A nice pickup in a trade. Inside route, inside run by Najee Harris. Najee Harris is going crazy in the first round. Let's try the inside run again on the other side. We're still in the first quarter. Ooh, Najee Harris. 1-2 in first 3 weeks. Can we get Najee T2 out again? Oh, come on, Zimmer. What are you doing? Oh, man, this is not good. Alright, here we go. We got it to the tight end. We got the ball to the tight end. Alright, here we go. Come on. I will. 2-2 out will. Nice throw, nice catch by Zimmer. A 12-yard gain on that pass. Not that. Najee, you gotta be kidding. Najee Harris gets in for the touchdown. That is what I like to see. We gave them a touchdown right now. And I don't know what kind of play that was. 2nd and 5. We're just going to the other side now. And there's a holding call that has to be a hold, right? Off it. Yep, that's a holding call. I knew it. My right guard. What a shame. 2nd and 12 now. Oh God. Alright. Big route by to LL. Alright. I love my tight end. I love that tight end. Woo! That was close. And let's run the ball with. Oh, they were gonna give me all that. We need to score. And nobody blocked. Yeah, nobody blocked. I'm looking for my tight end. Oh, come on. Are you serious right now? Yeah, we're not. Alright, can we get... We only need one. And Najee Harris gets it. Oh, I thought I got stopped. But that's Najee Harris. We're at the 2-minute warning. We're only up by a touchdown. So, okay, they are not. I'm hoping Pat Freeman can get open here. Come on. Oh, man. Just could not make the throw. Just could not make the dang throw. So, oh, come on. He was open. He was open, though. What are you doing? Come on. Catch them. Catch them stupid ball. Alright, here we go. Would I like to get a touchdown? Yeah. And he dropped it. Let's try to go for it. Oh, I'm hoping this works. Oh, where's my passive friends? The guy bumped into the receiver. Yup, there we go. Yeah, you gotta be kidding me, man. You gotta be kidding. I had a 2 touchdown lead and now nothing. Oh, 28 seconds. Ooh. That was a big play. I got 1 timeout and actually I had 3 timeouts. We got 21 seconds left. Can we score before the half? If I can score a touchdown, that'd be great. But I'll take a. Oh, damn. I thought I could have got that in the. Alright, here we go. Timeout. 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 And we got 1 more timeout left. So I'm hoping I can get the hit. And we get it in for a touchdown before the half. 2-2 Atwell. The new receiver picked up by 2-2 Atwell. We are in the lead right now by a touchdown. Can we get another score so we can go up by 2 touchdowns? I found a little creep, but second and 3 coming up in the. Oh man, it's an all-out blitz. Yep. I hope this works. He is in. We got it in. Yep, we got it in. Oh, come on. Don't challenge that. Come on. Give it to me. It is a first down. Ooh, that was close. That was close, man. And now they're, wow, they are stopping the run right now. Yeah, like, good God, Zimmer, make the, make a better throw. You gotta make a better throw than that. That is not cool, man. You are awesome. Is that a first? Yep, that's a first down, baby. Woo! Pat Bryant moves is killing it this game. We're just gonna right up the middle. Right up the middle for a 3-yard gain. Oh, are you kidding me? The tight. How can you miss that? How can you not catch that ball? Oh my God, that's a horrible throw. Wow. That was a horrible throw. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's look for Marshall. And we find Terrence Marshall. And we get the first down, baby. We could not run to the outside. We got 2 yards on that. At least we got 2 yards on that run. Yeah, nobody blocked that guy. Oh, we only got 2 yards. 2 yards on 2 carries. That's horrible. Oh, come on. Good God. We need this. Come on, we need 1 inch for the first. And we get the first. Ooh. I thought we were going to miss that. It's the backup running back. Route Tree, the third. Okay, there we go. What do you mean no gain on the play? I got 1 yard. Oh man, they are just. We're going to the third quarter right now.
Back now in Pittsburgh, it's Steeler football, and they have the lead as well as we begin quarter number 4.
Oh, come on, Najee, give me something. Give me some punt. And he goes somewhere else. So, but we are in field goal range. So, and the kick is good. We are up by 10 points. We're going to the fourth quarter with a 10-point lead. Man, that's great. And they scored with 3 minutes left on the clock. Can we run out the clock right now? That's the question. Can we run out the clock? We got 3 yards on that carry. Let's go. We need another. And they are stopping the run.
And a solid way to do that on the first play of the drive there.
Why are you going backwards?
He needed to get to the 35 for the first, but he only makes it to the 34. It'll go down as a gain of 6, and it'll be 4th down.
Ooh, 4th and 1. Come on.
They'll try and run for it.
Oh, wow. I did not get it.
Did they stop him?
Wow, they stopped it. This is not good. Not good for us. Oh, man.
Back to throw. Now a desperation throw deep downfield. And he knocks the
I did not call that play, but
I like the fact that he took the shot deep downfield. Even if you don't get the catch, maybe you get a defensive penalty and pick up the yardage that way. He's back to throw. Buying time to his left. He's got it well. It's complete.
oh, we got that. Well, okay.
Now the Steelers use
Okay, come on.
3 timeouts as they'll head to the sideline and talk over what to do next.
Why are they not letting me hurry up anything?
Back to throw. And across the formation, fast forward. And they're going to gain about before getting this inside the 30.
Woo.
Big plays one after the other. Now all of a sudden, they're on the march. Gotta feel good about what they've just gotten done, and now feel really good about what's in front of them. The throw over the middle, take it in. Now the Steelers use the second of their 3 timeouts as they get the stop.
We are driving. We need to score.
Second down and 3. A run with Harris out of the shotgun.
Why are we not getting any going?
Stopped up in the backfield. Partner, you get about 20 coaches on your payroll, but there's 60,000 of them in the stands. I don't think any of them like that play. And the later we go, it's starting to sound like 100,000 in here. That's called. It's 2-2 out there. Now the Steelers going to use their 3rd and final timeout.
Woo, man.
Stoppage here as we step aside.
Hey, can we get a touchdown here?
They'll look to throw.
And we get in for the last minute touchdown. And we get the ball back. What a game. What a game by Zimmer. Don't fumble the ball. Time out. Come on. Alright, Raven. Come on, man. There we go. And we're gonna run the ball again. I can't believe you. I can't believe my Zimmer.
They stay on the ground against Harris. And he tries to power forward, but he will not get back to the line of scrimmage.
And the game is over, and we are.
What a ball game this was.
Yeah, what a ball game now. What a comeback. What a comeback. You gotta love Zimmer, man. He showed me something. He showed me a lot. And Najee Harris showed me a lot too. check in with the Corvette. Let's see if I got anything. Alright. Really proud of how we got out and get the job done in that one. Everybody chipped in. Your entire team earned. Okay. Did we get anything for the Murdo? We're 2-2 going into week. So we're in second place. Let's upgrade these guys real quick. Wait. Some of these guys are getting really good. Here we go. The offense is looking good. Ooh. Alright, tackle. Yeah, why not that? Like that. The defense is not looking half bad. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. We got a great comeback in that game against the Ravens. So yeah, we're sitting at 2-2 right now. Next game is against the Cincinnati Bengals, who are also 2-2. So if we can beat the Bengals, we might be tied for the division lead. But yeah, guys, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and put a like on it. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me a lot. And like I said, every time, be safe, stay positive, and go back out. And I'll see you next time. And also, guys, like I said, every single Madden video is coming out Tuesdays and Thursdays, and maybe some Saturdays. So, like I said, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'll see you next time. And all you guys have a great day, and peace. Bye bye, and I am out of here.